It was brilliant. Some of the staff that had taught me were absolutely amazing. The knowledge, they're all quite old, so there was a massive age gap between myself and the next level of the age group between myself and those guys. So yeah, learning from those individuals, teaching me some of the old school ways as well as the new school ways was really good. It's amazing the diversity of work that we do here. The apprentices that are actually here at the moment currently working, they don't really realise just how fortunate they were. With my background, what I was limited to doing my apprenticeship, it was okay for me at that time, but the young apprentices here, the world is their oyster. These guys, when they finish their time, they can go anywhere.
I was naturally always fiddling with things, doing models as a kid, Lego, Meccano, taking things apart, rebuilding them. So engineering was a natural sort of pull towards that sort of area. So I ended up looking for engineering jobs, but realised then quite quickly that you needed to be qualified. So then I started looking at apprenticeships. To see some young people now, and they were asking my advice about apprenticeships or university and what they wanted to do, I would happily recommend them to do an apprenticeship. If they are more inclined to want to do a hands-on role and get out into the workplace and the real world quicker, then I would definitely advise them to do an apprenticeship. I mean, if they want to go on to university afterwards, there's no reason why they can't, but what you gain from doing an apprenticeship, you have the education supplied by the college, but you also have the work experience, which is invaluable, and you can't learn that in a classroom. You can't learn that from somebody telling you what it's like to work with people from all different walks of life. You can only do it. So I would happily recommend anyone do it.
Well, I started off my A-levels at sixth form, and then I finished my first year, and then I realised I wanted to do something practical. Instead of sat in a classroom learning, I'd rather be learning practically. So I was looking through the apprenticeships website, and I came across this one and thought, well, I really wanted to do engineering. So I applied, went through the college process, and then eventually got it.
Yeah, it's good really. Like you say, here we're lucky in the respect what we're doing here. We've got such a variation of stuff that it brings you on their end, and it corresponds with what you're doing at college. So we get the opportunity like some machining and stuff, come back in, there's talented guys here, but well, you can learn loads of skills off as well. So yeah, it works well. It's good.